Hey there! Spring is in the air, and so is pollen. If you're an allergy sufferer like me, you know how tough this season can be. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you manage those pesky symptoms and enjoy spring to the fullest. First off, limit your pollen exposure. Try to avoid going outside when pollen counts are high, especially in the mornings when it's dry and windy. Keep your windows and doors closed to prevent pollen from sneaking into your home. And when you do come indoors, change your clothes immediately and keep your shoes in one designated area. Oh, and don't forget to bathe at night to wash away any pollen on your skin and hair. For an extra step, consider rinsing your nose daily with a neti pot or a rinse bottle. Now let's talk medication. Antihistamines are your best friend here. They block histamine, which helps relieve itching, runny nose, and sneezing. First-generation options like Benadryl can cause drowsiness, so you might want to go for second-generation options like Claritin, Zyrtec, Xyzal, or Allegra. These have fewer side effects and last longer. Steroid nasal sprays like Flonase, Nasonex, and Nasacort are also super effective. They reduce inflammation, but you should start using them several days before your symptoms typically kick in. For quicker relief, nasal antihistamines like Astepro can help, though they might have a bit of a bitter taste. Combining them with steroid sprays can be even more beneficial. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll be better prepared to tackle spring allergies and enjoy the beautiful weather. Stay healthy and breathe easy. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.